Hello students, welcome to Sri Deepchand Chaudhary Mahavidyalaya, Lalitpur. Today topic name of gender empowerment. Gender empowerment is influenced by Mehta 1996 is based on following indicators. First, representative in Lok Sabha, state legislatures and Gram Panchayat Samiti and Zilla Parishad, and second indicators the literacy rate, and third exercising the right to vote and life expectancy and income resources and rank obtained by 16 Indian states for each of three variable revealed gender based and this way they can be magnificently used by a policy maker and analysis. Women empowerment demands a comprehensive plan of action to answer to problem of excessive and violence in women and increasing proportion of female-headed household in areas of economic, social, and political tension. And Singh is the 2003 and leadership programs can more effectively empower leaders and the best in 1991 and highlighted defects in most aspects the program which included lack of integration with other organizational development efforts, failure to specifically address an organization's need directly of outlook and remedies included additional program elements which might include a mechanism of institutionalized long-term leadership and organization might include mechanism is the installation is the long-term leadership or organizational development goals and training to address both skills personal values and leadership and building a group organization essential engage of empowerment strategy in the 1991 and women are the backbone of agriculture in the region and mobilization of women their potential and right economic contribution cannot be done externally privatizing is the social and culture concept in which they operate. The identified the urgent need to empower women access to resources and as they are and consist in the underlying and lies behind their suffering. Sharma and Kumar 1996 and involvement of a woman in decision making process by only those which why is the less important and which we the were physically attend and the study conducted by Gaikwad in 1997 and concluded there was the manager participation of farm women in decision making process and particularly related to agriculture if need to be women included for which there was the need to and diverting farm women from kitchen and child care to other field and the knowledge of women need to improved by training education and exposing them to different social economic and political activities. They would improve their entrepreneurship activities and increase participation in decision making process and started that the Panchayat Raj institution member were found playing and diversified in the role like communication and guide, motivator and important to all the three levels. It is therefore essential to provide information and technical and administrative support to all the members of PRYS so that they can perform their roles and which greater effectively the rural socio-political situation performance of women with greater efficiency and the representative in Panchayat Raj institution in Odisha were reported as well as time there was a notified in Kriyas is the participation by women and in Kriyas awareness time there was a notification in Kriyas of political issues and some changes to the political behavior and rural politics and despite the memorious failure in the indicator the Panchayat with nearly 1 million responsibility in the have become well pool of and democracy and the role political million responsibility in the empowerment of women, and panchayat have not really fulfilled the people aspiration in turn of becoming participators in decision making in regarding governance, planning and development, and participation of the poor in local governance has not annually been ensured by of resources and seats for them is the panchayats. The issues affecting the local government have still been either in the domain of the state government, of central government, and certain provision of the contract bill is some other division. And reservation for the woman was the main features of 73rd and Amendment Act. While the main objective still far from being achieved, still is the considered barrier of the MAC and Sani and Singh 2001. The absence of woman power in Panchayati Raj is not noticeable. The women have started as they were leader to now kind of situation in the society. And on the issues of political empowerment of women as a man and Datta 2001, the programs that we being implemented are the still indicate is combining the exploration of women and the situation continuing of burden and educating women to empower and themselves and individually and collectively is the purpose as the effect method of addressing gender issues was 2000. And although the women surprised have carried out various development activities in their and jurisdictions, they have not carried their out in accordance with its Article 243G of the Constitution, which says the Panchayat will prepare plan for economic development and social justice, including the scheme of the 11th Schedule of Constitution. And these suggested measures of ensuring women empowerment include education for women, equal opportunity in decision making, public speaking and self-respect, and forming self-help group for economic independence and income generating program in their first, second and third place respectively, both and Survey 2022. Thank you.